Your goal when it comes to news is to get in on the right side of the move. That way, when the news hits and the market starts moving big time, you're able to capitalize on it. Of course, just like any other trading strategy, there's a danger to trading the news. First of all, spreads widen. It's one of the ways that the brokers make their money. So, a lot of times during the news, that difference between the bid price and the ask price widens, and you can immediately start a few pips in the red. Here we have an example of normal spread on the left that maybe is 2 pips. And here on the right, we have wide spread of 20 pips. Can you imagine starting 20 pips in the red? Now, you won't always see this, but this does happen sometimes in news events, so just make sure you're careful of this. Another danger is something called price slippage. Slippage is when you're trying to get into the market at a certain price, but it gets you in at a far different price, and this can really mess you up. For example, you can see here that you tried to place a sell order, and then there was this big gap here, and so your sell trade didn't actually get in until this next candle all the way down here. The market is very volatile and unpredictable, and a lot of times the market will move really strongly in one direction and then turn right back around and head the other direction just as far. So trying to find which direction the market is moving can be really difficult. It just takes practice. Just make sure you always have a plan when you're trading the news. In the next sections, we'll dive into how exactly you can trade during these news events and how you can capitalize on them.
Hey, thanks so much for watching. Make sure you join our free Discord channel to get access to all the cheat sheets and a bunch of other cool bonuses. The next video in the course is right here.